Hey everybody, Mr. Mathlog here. This lesson is called Ordered Pairs. This should go pretty fast, you guys. This is lesson 9.2, and don't forget all your lessons can be found at mrmathlog.com. I'm sure you've heard that before, huh? There's our common core strand, and our question is how can we identify and plot points on a coordinate plane? Okay, so what is a coordinate plane? Okay, that's what this graph is right here. So locating a point on this coordinate grid right here is similar to describing north, south, west, and east. You remember north is going up, south is down, west is to the left, and east is to the right here. Well, we're going to use that to describe our coordinate plane. And then when you get into geometry in high school, it's called coordinate geometry. Anyway, so the horizontal number line down here, the horizontal number line is what goes to the right down here. Is called the x-axis. Okay, so this is x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal 3, 4, all the way up to 10. It keeps going. That's what this arrow for is right here. And then the vertical line is the up line right here. This is called the y-axis. Okay, so here's y equals 1, y equals 2, y equals 3, and 4, and so on. So we can plot some points on here. So each point on the coordinate grid can be described by what's called an ordered pair. Here we have the ordered pair down here, x comma y. Now ordered pairs always come in alphabetical order. So x comes before y in the alphabet. Sometimes when you get in higher math, they are different letters like A comma B. Or when you get into high school, it's in algebra 2, it's called H comma K, and H comes before K in the alphabet. Ordered pairs are always in alphabetical order, okay? So this one's called the x coordinate for the x-axis, and this one's called the y coordinate for the y-axis right here. Okay, the x coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair and is on the horizontal location, or the distance from the point 0 right here, okay? And then the y-coordinate is always our second number, okay? And it's the vertical location, the vertical distance from 0 in the y direction. And this is called the origin right here. So where it's the x is 0 and the y is 0 is called the origin. Now later we're going to have, this is called quadrant 1 later, and then over here we'll have quadrant 2 where we start dealing with some negatives, and then we'll have quadrant 3 and then quadrant 4. But for now we're just going to be dealing with this quadrant right here. So don't worry about the word quadrant. This is enough information that we'll be doing right here. Okay, so write an ordered pair for the locations of the arena and the aquarium. Okay, let's first focus on the arena. So locate the point we want to write an ordered pair. Okay, so look at the x-axis across the bottom right here. Okay, notice I highlighted that in real dashed pink line right here. Okay, so how far did we go to the right? We went 1, 2, 3 to the right. So that is our first number. Okay, and then from there we look at how far we went up. So that will be our second number. So how much did we go to the right is our first number. How much did we go up is our second number. So we went 3 comma 2. That would be the ordered pair of that, 3 comma 2. Okay, all right, so the ordered pair for the aquarium. Okay, so we always start at the origin. We always go to the right first. We do our x number first. So we go to the right 9. Okay, so you can see I put a blue dotted line right there. So we went to the right 9, and how much did we have to go up? We had to go up 4, so the other part is 9, 4. Okay, remember your x is always first, how much we went to the right, and the y is how much we went up. Okay, so the ordered pair for the aquarium is at 9, 4. Okay, so we're going to use this graph here. A point on a coordinate grid can be labeled with either an ordered pair, a letter, or both. In this part, we're going to choose both of them. So we're going to plot the point 5 comma 7 and label it J. So this is how much we go to the right. This is how much we go up. So we're going to go to the right 5 and up 7 right there, okay? Plot our point, and we're going to label it point J as the ordered pair 5 comma 7. Okay, easy, huh? All right, let's try that again, you guys. Let's plot the point 8, 0 and label that S, okay? So this means we're going to go to the right 8 and up 0. So okay, so we're going to go to the right 8 and then don't go up any because it's up 0. So it's going to be right there, 8 comma 0. It is on move to the right 8 and then up 0. It is on the x-axis right there. Okay, so there it is, point S 80. Let's try another one. Plot the point 0, 10 and label it point B. Okay, so we're going to go to the right 0, so don't go to the right at all, and then just go up 10. So this is going to be on the y-axis way up there. Okay, and we'll call that point B. B has the ordered pair 0, 10. Okay, you get the hang of this right here? All right, so find the distance between 2 points. We can find the distance between 2 points when the points are on the same horizontal line or vertical line right here. So here these 2 points are on the same vertical line. They're on top of each other right here. So we're going to first draw a line segment to connect those guys, okay? And then we'll count the vertical distance between points A and B. Okay, so we just count. So from A to B, we will go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 units between them right there, and that would be the distance, 6. Okay. I don't know what happened there. So points A and B form a vertical. Oh, I remember now. Okay, we're just questions here. So A and B form a vertical line segment that have the same x coordinate. Can you see they have the same x coordinate? And in this case, they're 9s. Remember, x is our first number right here. So how can we use subtraction to find the distance between these 2 points? Well, let's pretend like there was no picture, and we noticed, and they just gave us these coordinates, and we noticed they have the same x coordinates right here. Well, how would we use subtraction? We just do subtract 9 minus 3, and we'd get that 6 right there, okay? So we can subtract the y coordinates to get 9 minus 3, or 6, and that's what we got from counting. So when they have the same x coordinates, we can just subtract the y coordinates. All right, so now let's do the same thing except with these 2 points. Let's graph the points 3, 2, and 6, 2, and explain how we can use subtraction to find the distance, okay? So 3, 2, over to the right 3, up 2. This one's going to be over to the right 6, up 2. And we always start at the origin, okay? So over to the right 3, up 2, over to the right 6, up 2. And how can we use subtraction? Well, this time they have the same x coordinate. I'm sorry, the same y coordinate. Whoops. So which is the 2's right here. So if they have the same y coordinates, we can subtract the x coordinates right here. Okay, so these have the same y coordinates, so we can subtract the x coordinates, 6 minus 3. So this 6 minus 3 equals 3. You could also count when you if you graph these points right here and count the distance. Here's 1, 2, 3. But it asks us to explain how we can find the distance using subtraction. So we would subtract this x, which equals 6, minus this x, which equals 3, and we get the distance to be 3 on that. All right? Okay, that's a nice, easy lesson. Okay, take care, you guys.